102 and 54% humidity right now. It's a hot day. All the cats are hiding. Chickens have their doors open, and we've got a big fan blowing. Actually, it's sucking. It's blowing out so that it'll pull air through the coop and not blow at them. Everybody's hot. It's pretty miserable. The concrete company is here. They just had a load of gravel delivered. So we'll walk out there and take a look at the framing. I think the concrete will actually come tomorrow. So a nice big pile of gravel. And an 8-foot apron across the front. So 8 foot by 60 foot. And then here 13 by 19. Mainly because we have to put the solar rack over here. And I know they're dealing with some seriously hard ground. They have the ramp framed for the tractor back here. So that's pretty cool. Look at the tractor, all the implements, everything out, because we have to wait a month after the concrete's poured in order to drive on it. That'll be nice. That'll be real nice. And we'll be able to pull in and all the way through. I like it. We gave them a picnic table to sit at this time. The sun hasn't moved enough yet though for it to be in the shade. That's a bug spray. I don't think we need bug spray right now. We've been using the Spartan mosquito bait. So that's alleviated a lot of it. But this is going to be nice. And then this will be kind of round right here where they connect. So yeah, it's looking good. And we have another slab on this side over here by the shipping container, but I'll film that later. Okay, so this will end up being like a ramp up to the door on the store. Nice wide ramp, that's gonna be nice. So framing today, tomorrow they're gonna do rebar and base, and then concrete the day after that. So I guess it'll be a 3-day deal. I don't know if it'll be three days all together, or if it'll be, if they'll take Sunday off, I don't know. Anyway. Alright, so it is 12 days later. They were here and did the forms, and then yesterday they finally came back to put in the gravel and the rebar on all of the slabs. And they have their music on, so I'm gonna have to just talk about it on this one and then go film that and put some other music over the top of it. So this is here at the shipping container door. It will end up being a ramp into the store, so that'll be nice.